What if I told you there are SUVs out there that laugh in the face of 300,000 miles, vehicles so reliable that mechanics actually get excited when they see them roll into the shop? Not because they're broken, but because they're still running strong after decades of service. While most modern SUVs are designed to last just long enough to get you through the warranty period, there's a select group of machines that were built with one simple philosophy: run forever, no matter what. These aren't just survivor stories or lucky exceptions. These are SUVs that have proven themselves in the harshest conditions imaginable. Today, we're diving into the 12 SUVs that mechanics around the world agree are virtually indestructible. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some of these models are still commanding premium prices even with 250,000 miles on the odometer. Toyota Land Cruiser. When mechanics talk about bulletproof SUVs, the Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just mentioned, it's revered. This legendary off-road warrior has been conquering the world's most challenging terrains for over 6 decades, and its reputation for unbreakable reliability isn't just marketing hype, it's mechanical fact. The Land Cruiser represents everything that's been lost in modern automotive design: over-engineering, robust construction, and a complete disregard for cost-cutting measures that compromise longevity. The heart of the Land Cruiser's legendary durability lies in its powertrains. Whether you're talking about the rock-solid 4.0-liter inline-6 that powered earlier generations, or the bulletproof 5.7-liter V8 found in the 200 series, these engines are built to withstand abuse that would cripple lesser vehicles. The engineering philosophy behind these power plants is simple: build it stronger than it needs to be, then build it stronger than that. The result is engines that regularly exceed 400,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. The Land Cruiser's transmission systems are equally impressive. The automatics paired with these vehicles are designed for the kind of heavy-duty use that most SUVs will never see. These transmissions can handle repeated towing at maximum capacity, extended low-speed rock crawling, and the kind of stop-and-go traffic that destroys other vehicles' powertrains. What sets the Land Cruiser apart from every other SUV on the market is its build quality. This isn't a vehicle that was designed to meet a price point, it was designed to be the best. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner represents everything the Land Cruiser is, but in a more accessible package. This midsize SUV has been Toyota's answer to buyers who want Land Cruiser reliability without the Land Cruiser price tag, and it delivers on that promise in spectacular fashion. The 4Runner's secret weapon is its refusal to change. While other manufacturers constantly update their SUVs with new technology and features, Toyota has kept the 4Runner's core design fundamentally unchanged for over a decade. The 4Runner's 4.0-liter V6 engine is a mechanical masterpiece that's been refined over years of production. This naturally aspirated power plant produces adequate power without the complexity and failure points of turbocharged engines. The engine's design is conservative and robust, with heavy-duty internal components that can handle abuse for hundreds of thousands of miles. Mechanics consistently report seeing 4Runner engines with over 300,000 miles that still run like new, with compression numbers that would make much newer engines jealous. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction is becoming increasingly rare in today's SUV market, but it's one of the key factors in the vehicle's incredible durability. This traditional truck-based construction method results in a vehicle that can handle serious off-road use, heavy towing, and the kind of abuse that would twist and crack a unibody SUV. Interior durability in the 4Runner is legendary among owners, with materials chosen for longevity rather than luxury appeal. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot represents a different approach to SUV durability. Rather than building a truck-based off-road warrior, Honda created a family-friendly SUV that's engineered to provide reliable service for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Pilot's reputation for longevity is built on Honda's legendary attention to detail and their commitment to building vehicles that just work year after year. The Pilot's V6 engines, particularly the 3.5-liter unit found in most generations, are marvels of engineering reliability. These engines use Honda's proven VTEC technology to provide excellent power delivery while maintaining exceptional durability. The engines are designed with conservative tolerances and robust internal components that can handle the demands of family use for decades. Honda's transmission technology in the Pilot has evolved over the years, but the focus has always been on durability and smooth operation. The Pilot's unibody construction might seem less robust than body-on-frame designs, but Honda's engineering excellence makes this platform incredibly durable. The structure is designed to handle the stresses of family use while providing excellent crash protection and ride quality. Honda's approach to electrical systems in the Pilot emphasizes reliability over complexity, resulting in an SUV that continues to function properly even after years of use in harsh conditions. Lexus GX470/GX460. The Lexus GX series represents what happens when you take Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser Prado platform and wrap it in luxury appointments. The result is an SUV that combines the durability and off-road capability of a serious 4WD vehicle with the refinement and comfort expected from a luxury brand. The GX470 and GX460 have proven themselves to be among the most reliable luxury SUVs ever built. The GX470's 4.7-liter V8 engine is a masterpiece of engineering that's been proven in applications ranging from luxury SUVs to commercial trucks. This engine produces substantial power and torque while maintaining the kind of reliability that's rare in the luxury segment. The GX460's 4.6-liter V8 continues this tradition of bulletproof reliability, incorporating modern technology while maintaining the robust construction that made its predecessor legendary. Both generations of GX use transmissions that are designed for heavy-duty use, engineered to handle the demands of luxury SUV use while providing the kind of durability that's expected from the Toyota family. The GX body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability and off-road capability with frames that are massively overbuilt using high-strength steel designed to handle serious off-road use and heavy towing. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe represents American engineering at its most robust. This full-size SUV has been the backbone of police fleets, government agencies, and large families for decades, and its reputation for durability is built on years of proven performance in the most demanding applications. The Tahoe's secret weapon is its truck-based construction and proven powertrain combinations that have been refined over decades of production. The Tahoe's V8 engines, particularly the 5.3-liter and 6.0-liter units found in various generations, are legendary for their durability and power. These engines use GM's proven small-block architecture that's been refined over decades of production. The engines are designed with conservative tolerances and robust internal components that can handle the demands of commercial use for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Tahoe's transmission systems are equally impressive, designed for the kind of heavy-duty use that full-size SUVs endure. These transmissions can handle repeated towing at maximum capacity, extended highway cruising, and the kind of stop-and-go traffic that destroys other vehicles' powertrains. What makes the Tahoe particularly impressive is its proven track record in commercial applications, where these vehicles routinely accumulate hundreds of thousands of miles in the most demanding conditions imaginable. GMC Yukon. The GMC Yukon shares much of its DNA with the Chevrolet Tahoe, but with a focus on slightly more upscale appointments and features. This full-size SUV represents the best of American SUV engineering with proven powertrains, robust construction, and a track record of reliability that spans decades. The Yukon's reputation for durability is built on the same foundation as the Tahoe, but with refinements that make it even more appealing to buyers who want luxury along with their longevity. The Yukon's V8 engines are identical to those found in the Tahoe, which means they carry the same legendary reputation for durability and power. The various automatic transmissions found in different Yukon generations are engineered to handle repeated towing at maximum capacity, extended highway cruising, and the kind of varied driving conditions that destroy other vehicles' powertrains. What sets the Yukon apart from the Tahoe is its focus on refinement and luxury appointments. The interior materials are chosen for durability and comfort, with leather seating surfaces that can withstand years of family use. The electrical systems are more complex than those found in the Tahoe, but they're still designed for reliability and longevity. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V represents the gold standard for compact SUV reliability. This vehicle has been Honda's best-selling SUV for decades, and its reputation for longevity is built on Honda's legendary attention to detail and their commitment to building vehicles that provide reliable service for hundreds of thousands of miles. The CR-V's approach to durability is different from truck-based SUVs. Instead of brute strength, it relies on engineering excellence and proven components. The CR-V's four-cylinder engines, particularly the 2.4-liter units found in various generations, are marvels of engineering reliability. These engines use Honda's proven VTEC technology to provide excellent power delivery while maintaining exceptional durability. The engines are designed with conservative tolerances and robust internal components that can handle the demands of daily driving for decades. Honda's transmission technology in the CR-V has evolved over the years, but the focus has always been on durability and smooth operation. The CR-V's unibody construction is engineered for exceptional durability despite its lightweight design, with structures designed to handle the stresses of daily use while providing excellent crash protection and ride quality. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback occupies a unique position in the SUV market. It's technically a wagon, but it's marketed and used as an SUV. This distinction is important because it represents Subaru's approach to building vehicles that are both practical and incredibly durable. The Outback's reputation for longevity is built on Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system and their commitment to building vehicles that can handle any conditions. The Outback's horizontally opposed engines are unique in the SUV market, and they're legendary for their durability. These engines use Subaru's proven boxer design that provides a low center of gravity and exceptional balance. The engines are designed with conservative tolerances and robust internal components that can handle the demands of all-weather driving for hundreds of thousands of miles. Subaru's all-wheel drive system is the heart of the Outback's capability and durability. This system is designed to function reliably in all conditions, from deep snow to muddy trails. Unlike many other AWD systems that are designed for occasional use, Subaru's system is built to be engaged continuously without reliability concerns. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler represents the purest expression of SUV capability and durability. This iconic off-road warrior has been conquering the world's most challenging terrains for decades, and its reputation for bulletproof reliability is built on its simple, robust design and proven components. The Wrangler's approach to durability is refreshingly straightforward. Build it tough, keep it simple, and don't fix what isn't broken. The Wrangler's engines have varied over the years, but the focus has always been on durability and reliability. The 4.0-liter inline-six that powered earlier generations is legendary for its bulletproof reliability, while the 3.6-liter V6 found in modern Wranglers continues this tradition. These engines are designed with conservative tolerances and robust internal components that can handle the kind of abuse that serious off-road use demands. What sets the Wrangler apart from every other SUV is its body-on-frame construction and solid axles. This traditional design provides exceptional durability and off-road capability. The frame is massively overbuilt, using high-strength steel that's designed to handle serious off-road abuse. The Wrangler's electrical system is refreshingly simple compared to other modern SUVs, with electronic systems designed to function reliably in extreme conditions. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander represents Toyota's approach to building a family-friendly SUV that can provide reliable service for hundreds of thousands of miles. This three-row SUV combines the reliability that Toyota is famous for with the practicality that families need, resulting in a vehicle that's become a favorite among buyers who prioritize longevity over luxury. The Highlander's V6 engines, particularly the 3.5-liter unit found in recent generations, are engineered for exceptional reliability. These engines use Toyota's proven design principles to provide excellent power delivery while maintaining the kind of durability that's expected from the Toyota brand. Toyota's transmission technology in the Highlander has evolved over the years, but the focus has always been on durability and smooth operation. The Highlander's unibody construction is engineered for exceptional durability and safety, with structures designed to handle the stresses of family use while providing excellent crash protection and ride quality. Toyota's approach to electrical systems in the Highlander emphasizes reliability over complexity, resulting in an SUV that continues to function properly even after years of use in various conditions. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX represents Honda's luxury approach to SUV durability. This three-row SUV combines the reliability that Honda is famous for with the refinement and features that luxury buyers expect, resulting in a vehicle that can provide upscale transportation for large families while maintaining exceptional longevity. The MDX's V6 engines are based on Honda's proven power plant designs, but with refinements that enhance both performance and durability. These engines use Honda's advanced VTEC technology to provide excellent power delivery while maintaining the kind of reliability that's expected from the Honda family. Honda's transmission technology in the MDX represents some of the best automatic transmissions in the industry. The MDX's unibody construction is engineered for exceptional durability, safety, and refinement. The structure uses high-strength steel in key areas to provide excellent crash protection while maintaining the kind of durability that's expected from a premium vehicle. Acura's approach to electrical systems in the MDX balances luxury features with reliability. Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada represents Nissan's approach to building a full-size SUV that can compete with American offerings in terms of capability and durability. This massive SUV is based on Nissan's proven truck platform and uses powertrains that have been proven in commercial applications, resulting in a vehicle that can provide reliable service for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Armada's V8 engines are legendary for their durability and power. The 5.6-liter V8 found in most Armada generations is a robust power plant that's been proven in applications ranging from luxury SUVs to commercial trucks. This engine produces substantial power and torque while maintaining the kind of reliability that's rare in the full-size SUV segment. The Armada's transmission systems are designed for the kind of heavy-duty use that full-size SUVs endure, engineered to handle repeated towing at maximum capacity and varied driving conditions. The Armada's body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability and capability, with frames that are massively overbuilt using high-strength steel designed to handle serious towing and commercial use. These 12 SUVs represent the pinnacle of automotive durability and reliability. From the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser to the practical Honda CR-V, each of these vehicles has earned its bulletproof reputation through years of proven performance in real-world conditions. What sets these SUVs apart isn't just their ability to reach 300,000 miles, it's their ability to do so while maintaining their functionality, comfort, and capability. The common thread among all these durable SUVs is a commitment to engineering excellence over cost-cutting measures. These manufacturers understood that true value comes from building vehicles that last, not from building vehicles that meet quarterly profit targets. They chose proven powertrains over experimental technology, robust construction over weight-saving measures, and reliability over complexity. If you're in the market for an SUV that will serve you faithfully for decades, these 12 models should be at the top of your list. While they may not have the latest gadgets or the most fuel-efficient engines, they offer something far more valuable: the peace of mind that comes from owning a vehicle that's built to last. Remember that even the most reliable SUV requires proper maintenance to reach its full potential. But with proper care, any of these SUVs can provide reliable transportation for 300,000 miles and beyond. Don't forget to like this video if you're now convinced that bulletproof SUVs still exist. Subscribe for more automotive insights and let us know in the comments which of these reliable SUVs you've had experience with. Your stories of high-mileage adventures could inspire other viewers to choose durability over disposability. Until next time, drive safely and choose vehicles that are built to last a lifetime.